Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your permalinks in WordPress. So this is something that's pretty simple, and all we need to do is go to our posts section or our pages section, wherever it is that you're trying to change the permalink. So I already have a post open here, and now all you need to do to change your permalinks is if you scroll down here, you'll see this section right here called permalinks. And right here is the URL slug. And like this says, this is the last part of the URL. So right down here is where you edit it. And all you do is select this and then get rid of it, or you can add stuff on to what's currently there. And now if you're in a new post, if I come over here and this is just a brand new post, I haven't even saved it as a draft yet. And if you go down here to where it says permalinks, you're going to see the permalink right here, but you're going to notice there's not an option to edit that. And that's because it hasn't even been saved as a draft yet. So if I go over here and just add in, for example title, and then I click on Save Draft, you're going to notice now, once it's refreshed, that the URL slug right here is now able to be edited. So again, if you have a brand new post that you're working on and you haven't saved the draft yet, you're not going to be able to edit the permalink for this specific post or page. And now the other thing I wanted to show you too is that you want the URL slugs to all be the same as the title of each post you have. I'm going to show you how to do that. So what we got to do is go back over to our dashboard here, and if you go over on the left sidebar and go down to where it says Settings, you're going to see some pop-ups. And what we need to click on is Permalinks. And this is where you can adjust some of your permalink settings. And usually, by default, WordPress has this selected as plain or maybe by day and name. But what we need to do, if you want to change your URL slugs to be your post name, is just come down here to where it says post name and have that selected. And then after that, click on Save Changes. All right, guys, and that's going to be it for this super quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to learn more about WordPress, don't forget to check out my channel, and you can search for the full WordPress tutorial. I'll also put a link to that below in the description too, so don't forget to check that out. And if you guys got any questions or comments or anything like that, you can leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So until then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.